Welcome back to Lightyearmusic.com. One thing I want to show you in our second part of our instructional series with KJ Deluxe is I want to show you how to be able to create a singer list that will also display up here on your screen for the singers to see. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get the song for your first singer. So when searching for a song, you can do it a couple of different ways. If I want to sing My Way by Frank Sinatra, I can search any combination of both the title and the artist. So I can search for Frank. I can search for Frank Way. And it's got it right here, My Way by Frank Sinatra. I can search for Frank Sinatra, and I can take a look for it in here. Or I can search for the song title by itself, and I'll find it right here. Any combination of words that are in the title and the artist name will help you find your songs here in your search bar. It's important to know if you're looking for a karaoke song, you click karaoke. If you're looking for a DJ song, you click audio. Now, obviously, we're building a karaoke playlist, so one thing I'm going to want to do is select karaoke. At this point, I'm going to add a singer's name. So if they wanted to sing My Way by Frank Sinatra, take it right here, and I'm going to drag it over to the empty space over here. It's going to ask me for a name. His name is Bob. There are a couple of different options here where I can change if I know, or if they tell me, if they want the key changed either up or down, I can set that beforehand. That way I'm not making that adjustment on the fly. In this case, I'm going to leave this alone. Click OK. And now Bob is our next singer, and that's what will show on your screen in between karaoke songs. To add another name, I will search for another song. Frank Sinatra is very popular, so we're going to go to Nice and Easy. Take that and drag it over. Nick wants to sing that. He doesn't want any adjustments. I click OK. If Bob comes up to me now that he's in the list, and says, I also want to sing I've Got the World on a String by Frank Sinatra, I can click this song, and I can drag it to Bob's name. When I drop it in there, his name will already be in there. He doesn't want any adjustments, and I can click OK. Now you see that there's two songs in for Bob. Now, this doesn't mean that Bob's going to sing two songs in a row. This rotation will still go in order all the way down, and Bob's second song will come back up once the rotation is done. If I want to change the order, if he comes to me and says I want to sing the second song that I requested first, I can click the arrow, and that'll change the order. And that was reflected right here on our screen. Now, if I want to put in a third song, something by Elvis, Heartbreak Hotel, drag it over here. Chuck wants to sing it, and he's got a deep voice. He wants it 2 steps below. Click OK. And that's in it, and you can see the key change that you made is reflected right here. This will appear on the screen after every singer, so that way the crowd will know who's next, and it'll speed up the process of getting the next singer up. As I mentioned in our first video, and I will get into more detail in our third video, by creating a playlist right here, and by selecting this button, in between songs while the crowd sees this screen right here, you will have DJ music playing as background music, filling the dead air, keeping the atmosphere up, thus creating a better karaoke show. To go back to your karaoke playlist, I'm going to select the microphone, and it's right here. It's important to remember too, when you clear your playlist, make sure that that you have a selected person on this playlist. Make sure you don't have a song on your actual database selected. Make sure you have one selected over here, because when I hit the clear button, whichever one I have highlighted, it's going to clear that entire list. It won't delete your music, but you're going to have to go back in and re-add it from your files. So I select Bob over here. I hit clear, hit OK, and now my playlist is gone. You'd want to do that at the end of the night to make sure you don't have old playlists when you're at a new show. We'll get into more detail on a lot of the other features that KJ Deluxe offers in our other videos. Stay tuned for more videos to learn how to operate our incredible karaoke software. I'm Nick from Lightyearmusic. Thank you for watching.